Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of 10th class, again welcome to all of you. Dear students, as you know, we have learned few subtopics in this chapter. The chapter is the making of the modern world. So today's subtopic remain the conquest, disease and trade. Here we will see which countries or which continents are conquering and who led the disease and what was the disease and how the trade led. Ultimately, how the trade led. Dear students, as you know, we have learned about the pre-modern world. This was through by the process of migration of traders, migration of priests, migration of various religion people. So this pre-modern world, how it comes now close with each other. प्री-मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड कैसे श्रंक हो जाती है या कैसे क्लोज आ जाती है या कैसे एग्जिस्ट हो जाती है, दिस इज ड्यू टू द डिस्कवरी ऑफ सी रूट्स. सी रूट्स को जब दरियाफ्त किया गया, समुद्री रास्तों को जब डिस्कवर किया गया, इजाद किया गया, तब ये प्री मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड एग्जिट हुआ. तो ये कैसे हुआ डिस्कवरी ऑफ सी रूट्स? दिस वाज लाइड बाय द यूरोपियन सेलर्स. यूरोपियन के जो जहाजरान थे, उन्होंने सफ़र किया मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स का, तो जिससे एक्सीडेंशली देयर लाइड द डिस्कवरी ऑफ अमेरिका बाय क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस. So by the discovery of America, this led the vast opportunities of crops and minerals. क्योंकि अमेरिका में एट दैट वेरी टाइम व्हेन द अमेरिका वाज डिस्कवर्ड, देयर वर वास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, एनफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज, मौके बहुत सारे थे, बहुत सारे क्रॉप्स थे, यहाँ पे पहला फसल थे, फसल की गुंजाइश थी, अपॉर्चुनिटीज थे, मौके थे उगाने के लिए, काश्तकारी के लिए, एंड देयर वर so many kinds of minerals. Dear students, at the same time, when there were opportunities of crops and minerals, there were Portuguese and the Spanish people. They tried to conquer the land of America, which was recently discovered. So they started. उन्होंने कोशिश की कि हम इस पे कब्जा जमाएं, इस अमेरिका पे. So they tried to conquest and colonize America. At that very time, this fight was not led by the weapons, but by a disease. So इनको ज़्यादा लड़ना नहीं पड़ा, बल्कि वहाँ पे एक बीमारी आ गई. उस वबा का नाम था स्मॉल पॉक्स. स्मॉल पॉक्स से वो बेचारे खुद ही मर गए, क्योंकि उनके पास अमेरिकन्स एट दैट वेरी टाइम दे वर नॉट हैविंग any kind of power or any kind of immunity to fight with this disease. So they became weak, and at the same time when they became weak, the Portuguese and Spanish conquered their lands and colonized the America. So dear students, this was the conquest and disease, which is related to the topic discovery, this conquest and disease, which was in that very time throughout the world, especially America. So at that very time, we will see before the 18th century there were the problems in Europe, people too, or in the European country. What was the problem is that there were overcrowded population, overcrowded people. That was the population was there, the problem of population and the problem of disease, and there were the religion conflicts. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा आबादी होती थी और डिजीज़ वहाँ पे बीमारियाँ लग गई थी उनमें, और आपस में मजहबी कुछ झगड़ा था. तो इससे इन्होंने क्या सोचा कि यहाँ पे हमारी कंट्रीज़ में, हमारी यूरोप में यहाँ पे बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. इनका नतीजा क्या निकला? इन्होंने सोचा कि हम माइग्रेशन करें from Europe to America. अब ये भी जानने लगे जिस तरह ये पोर्टुगीज एंड स्पेनिश यहाँ पे गए, इसी तरह यूरोप वालों ने भी सोचा कि हम अब अमेरिका जाए. So the European led the migration from Europe to America. They migrated their themselves from Europe to America. What they did there were as you know, already learned that there were the opportunities of crops, so they started the plantation. There were already plantation, यहाँ पे इन्होंने plantation शुरू की, plantation farming शुरू की. So this plantation farming was increased. At that very time, they sold these goods in the European countries. So this led to the trade from the from America to Europe, which was started by these Europeans. So dear students, by this process, they led the rise of America. America be rise. This is all about before the 18th century. We can say during the 16th century, during the pre-modern world, when the pre-modern world came into its existence, or we can say it came close. So, dear students, at the same time, during the 18th century, what was all about the China and the India, or we can say the subcontinent, India, China, and Pakistan. So far as China is concerned, China ने अपने आप को isolate किया, he himself isolated himself from the others, from the other countries. So far as the India's country is concerned, India was under the Britain rule, or we can say the colonization of Britain rule. So this was all about today's topic. Hope you will watch this video class. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.